This greenhouse accommodates 25,000 lotus and water lily pots. 20 researchers spent 2 years working on the cultivation of these flowers. With a higher temperature, more light and fertilizer, they managed to get the flowers bloom for the China Flower Expo.
The flowers will bloom when they feel the hot weather of summer.
Engineers also devised a system for automatic fertigation according to each type of plant's natural rhythms.
We need to make sure that the flowers are the same shape and color within the next 42 days.
These golden rain trees were transported from a nursery garden. Each tree is about 9 meters tall and weighs 8 tons.
It takes 8 people around 1 hour to place one tree into a container.
The container trees can be removed to the venue with earth attached to their root, thus enhancing their survival rate. The team has also modified 600,000 tons of soil at the Flower Expo venue to a depth of 60 centimeters.
We analyzed the soil and added ingredients such as sand, organic fertilizer, and peat so that the plants will adapt better when they are moved to the expo venue in Chongming.
Over 70,000 trees for the China Flower Expo have been planted. Other trees are getting prepared in the 400,000 square meter nursery base. Zhang Hong, Shanghai Live.